Sanction is an application that allows attorneys to organize, manage, and present all their evidence that they would have through the process of a litigation. And by all evidence, I mean anything. It can be transcripts, it can be video depositions, documents that began as electronic discovery and became electronic files, PDF files, web pages, PowerPoint presentations, you name it, it lets you organize everything in one location and then present it in a courtroom. Trial attorneys can use it when they're trying the case, but it depends on the attorney. If somebody is savvy with their computer, where they understand how to right-click and use a mouse, many attorneys actually take the application, put it on their laptop, and use it themselves. In a lot of instances, they may bring in a litigation paralegal, they may have an associate, or they may have an outside company come in and help them with the trial. But we did design Sanction to be easy to use to where anybody who wants to give it a shot can. The support an attorney needs depends on the attorney. Many attorneys will use the product themselves. They can manage it on their own laptop and take it into a courtroom. Some will rely on a litigation paralegal. Some will rely on an associate to take it into the trial with them. It all depends on how comfortable you as an attorney are in managing technology and giving your argument or examining a witness at the same time. The first thing is to get everything that you want to present in the trial in an electronic format. And usually we prefer images. So what I mean by electronic format first is that if it was paper or it was videotape, it needs to become an image or a video file that a computer can play. When it comes from electronic evidence, we needed an image format. And by that I mean everybody's used to looking at an email on their computer. Well, an email is not really an image, it's a bunch of text. And we need that as an image file so when we actually show it in the courtroom, you can zoom in and you can annotate using highlights and lines and arrows and circles. So everything at the end of the day needs to be image format or video playback in Windows Media Player ready for a computer. The transcript gets integrated into Sanction in two ways. First, the transcript that the court reporter produces gets pulled into the program so you can search, annotate, and digest the transcript for your needs. Then the transcript is synchronized with the video. That way we can highlight ranges of the text in the transcript and make video segments from it. And then even more importantly from a presentation standpoint, that transcript can scroll with the video in the courtroom during your presentation. In this day and age with cloud computing, with Linux operating systems, with iPads, with Droid phones, you've really got to be prepared to handle any operating system and any delivery method. The days of delivering strictly for a personal computer are gone. Even in today's day, technology sometimes isn't the best way to present an argument. And that's what we really bring to the table, is to help look at different ways to present. There's been instances where I've helped attorneys with cases where they want to argue a point or they want to examine a witness, and I'll walk up to them and say, here's a marker, there's a butcher paper. Go draw it up on the piece of paper. We'll make an electronic slide out of it afterwards. So while technology has evolved, litigation technology and trial presentation in particular is about educating and winning an argument. And sometimes technology isn't the best way to do that.